stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect wind damage to roof. Damage vehicles expected. Locations impacted include Locations impacted include Monroe, North High Shoals, Boston, Good Hope, Bishop, Ebenezer, Gladys, Eastfield, Farmington, Appleton, Hampton, and Hartford State Park. Wind protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Locations impacted include damage, or flooding. Wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-344-66 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service. Wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service can to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. Northeastern Georgia, northwestern This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Bostwick, or 9 miles southwest of Watkinsville, and is nearly stationary. For detailed weather hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, North High Shoals, Bostwick, Good Hope, Bishop, Ebenezer, Gladys, Eastfield, Farmington, Appalachia, Canton, and Hard Labor Creek State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.